Welcome to another season of TurboTax Tips. Real advice for real people. Get your taxes done right anytime, from anywhere. In part 2 of our series called Ways to Increase Your Tax Refund You Never Thought About, we're taking a closer look at revisiting your filing status as a way to boost your chances of seeing more in your wallet. There are so many changes that can happen in just a year. Maybe you got hitched, or maybe you parted ways with your spouse. And maybe you have been so busy this year that you totally forgot that when you file your taxes, you choose a filing status. Your choice can influence the possibility of a refund. The IRS gives you 5 options to choose from, but the 3 most common include married filing jointly, married filing separately, and single. Everyone's situation is different, but the IRS has some pretty specific requirements that come with different benefits. Less common, but with huge tax benefits, is filing as head of household. Check out our article called How to File as Head of Household, or listen to our podcast about it to see if you can claim this status. And if you're unsure about which status you should pick, TurboTax can help find out which one benefits you the most by answering simple questions. So what does your relationship status have to do with anything? It turns out a whole lot. It determines things like your standard deduction and your filing requirements. It also changes the credits you're eligible to receive. And of course, it impacts the amount of tax you pay or the refund you'll get back. So, if you had a big life change this year, it's worth looking at how it'll change your taxes. That's all for today. And remember, with TurboTax, you can hand your taxes over to a TurboTax Live tax expert available in English and Spanish and get your taxes done from start to finish, all from the comfort of your home. And don't forget to tune in for another episode of TurboTax Tips, because doing your taxes is easier than you think.